about to tell you about this indicator strategy because most of the people they are confused. So in the book Pivot Boss, it is written that you can long from S1 to R1, okay, and in the bear market you can short from R1 to S1, and these are banking levels as per the author. And if the price goes above R2, it means it's a breakout. You can long it. And if the price goes below S2, it means it's a breakdown and you can short it. Now, how would you do risk management? So the risk management is like this, that for example, today in the morning, it came here to the R1. So you would short that R1 and the stop will be above R2. And then you will take it to S1. And if you will long S1, then the stop will be below S2 and you will take it to R1. So this is the strategy. And this is very good strategy. You guys, I don't know why you guys don't look at it. Only few people look at it. But this works very good on intraday, as you can see. As you can see, it works so nice even today. So intraday, this strategy is very clear. And also, if you go to the weekly, you can also keep an eye on the weekly also. So it will give you an overall picture of the whole week. So right now we are on S1. So So of course we cannot long it over here because okay, there is one more setup I remember. So let me also tell you that. So there is one more setup. It's called type 2 setup. So the what does type 2 means? That the price goes to R2 and then you can short R2 to R1 and the price goes to S2, you can long S2 to S1. So this setup is also there. I don't play these setups, but I keep an eye on the type 1 setup, which is S1 to R1 and R1 to S1. So it's a very good strategy for the intraday. But right now we have a much better strategy than intraday. I think right now we are much more capable because we are using a lot of good things uh, from GAN. And this is, as you can see, even today we got everything. We shorted it and then we longed it. So what else do you need? You just need one trade in a day, but over here we got many good trades. So so right now it's going on R1. So it's okay, let it go. I already got out on VWAP.
How about on daily? We are on daily. What is that? Bearish daily.
Daily?
One day.
Go daily chart.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. What about daily? Daily I'm bullish,
Okay.
but I'm waiting for also one more thing I should tell you. If you look at this indicator, it will make patterns like this was a this was the up move and this is flat. So it is telling you that this is correction. So those who are illiterate traders, they can maybe understand better. So you cannot you cannot turn bearish over here. If you wanted to become bearish, then you were supposed to go bearish over here at the top, not right now. So this is another thing. And most likely this will be the A, this will be the B, and this will be the C, and then we'll be on our way. Something like this. So let's keep going. Aisha, are you there?
Switching R1.
Yeah. Don't never be angry at taking profit. Now in 4 minutes you can see the regular divergence developing. So this will cause it to decline, and then you can buy it again. But always take profit. This is one of the basic rules. In 5 minutes, you should have few things like red and then VWAP, and always take profit on VWAP, because if you're new to trading, then VWAP is a good place to take profit. Just squeezing and squeezing.
Is still R2.
See how the emotions have changed. Just 1 hour ago, everybody was talking about
Yeah.
400. Now it's going, and it will go to 15,100 if
Yeah.
you look at the bigger picture. So it will go to 15,100 at least. So, or even if it is bottom, then this could be it. This will be the October 4, and then we'll be on our way. So, I don't know. So, till October 4, I will be very cautious with shorts, because I have seen people getting trapped below daily moving average 200. This is what they always do.
Hello, sir. How are you?
I'm fine. Who's this?
This is Sanjay here, sir.
Hi Sanjay, how are you? Today you were
Bas-
today you were making a you were a level trader, right? Today.
Yeah. He
See,
provided.
I've got zero knowledge. I'm zero to you. I only very couldn't copy paste. But actually, I can't speak today. I've removed my tooth, since 2 days. It's paining me tremendously.
So toothache is lucky for you, because you become a very good trader since you
No,
are
no,
toothache.
sir, I got copy paste only. I told you, I don't know, sir. But I was just pulling your leg. मजा आ गया. Now what is 4291?
So my point is, every day you guys come, you should put your chart on 4 minutes or 5 minutes. This is, I'm using this as to teach you guys, because most of the people, you guys are still stuck in old methods. And imagine what can happen. Because when this was declining, right? Because of the hidden bearish divergence. So I saw this indicator at the bottom, and I imagined price going here and then bouncing from here very hard, because there was a history also. So you guys should also, look into the future instead of reacting to the levels, reacting to the price. You guys should have the ability.
Sir, give us 2 days to explain this chart system at least, who don't have any technical knowledge. Somebody should be there, not you, not even Aisha, but who is a lower level person who can explain us all this. If I can understand, then I'll do wonders, yeah. नहीं मालूम पड़ता है सर एक तो
So
ये
you
ट्रेडिंग
if you're coming and doing intraday trading, you should have basic level of trading knowledge automatically. It is assumed that you have this knowledge, because
yeah,
because
but now
we are doing opposite of what you have learned, in the trading courses. In trading courses,
I have not done any course in my life, sir.
then you should do one. There are many
I,
courses on
you
YouTube.
tell me, no? You tell
There are
me
many
no for me.
courses free on YouTube also. So take those courses, and you will
No,
see.
I don't want. Sir, I want somebody in front of me. Means can explain me, on computer, or on this thing, like how you explain right way, same way.
Nobody.
Find me somebody,
The well will not come to the thirsty person. The thirsty person has to go to the well. So
That is true, very true. But if you have any person who can teach this way on YouTube or something, it'd be very good, sir. Your chart's excellent, I tell you.
no, my chart.
Then
So what is so difficult in this, which I just showed you? So this is the only course.
I'm not paying attention. I've not paid attention today, sir. I was just seeing what you are speaking right now. Because right now, R1, R2 is fine, but when the price goes below S2, right, then you said that it'll definitely come up. It went below S2 and it has come to almost R2 now or R1.
Sir, can you show that R1, R2?
Yeah. Are we approaching day high?
Yeah.
What's the day? Yeah. So one thing, sir, I am stuck in this 14,850 in Nasdaq. I'm holding a position. I didn't do anything till now. Can we expect 15,100 by Friday or 15,000 by Friday?
I'm not an options trader, but
I'm just asking by experience only.
it can go to 15,100.
By Monday or by Friday?
You guys
No, I'm
expect
just asking. No, no,
I
I'm not telling you. I'm not telling you that way. But like suppose my because my this thing is stuck.
I understand the logic because the bounce is so good, right? And
Yeah.
many people will try to short it. Try to understand the psychology.
Okay.
So, and this is the gap fill. This is the gap, and the gap is at 15,100 something. So there is a very good probability because right now many people shorted over here.
Right now you are saying the 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 daily chart, right?
No, I'm looking at 1.5 hours, 1.5 hour chart,
1.5 hour chart. Okay.
1 hour
There's a
30.
gap. There's a gap at around 15,100.
Yeah.
Okay. And right now we are at R1 and going towards R2.
Forget R1, R2. This is only for the daily thing. So
Okay, forget.
yeah. So the R1, R2 is a different setup which I explained, and I will put it on the recording.
No, you explain after. Yeah, yeah, that's better.
You will watch the recording.
But
But
sir, do you think R1, R2 has validity? Does it actually work every time?
it doesn't work every time. But if
Yes.
you follow this thing with risk management, you
Okay.
will make lots of money.
Okay, sir. Fine.
Yeah. If you don't know anything, but if you
Yeah.
long S1, you stop below S2 and take profit on R1. And if you short R1, of course, you will not short R1 right here now because your prediction is that it is going to go up.
Yeah.
But
Yeah. Yeah.
if the trend was down and the price was coming to the R1, you would short at R1, stop above R2, and you will take profit on S1. So you just need to keep doing it. So this strategy is mentioned in Pivot Boss book. So you guys can also read the book or buy it on Amazon. So are these levels are defined by the banks. So these are not my levels. So the guy who made this strategy was a institutional trader. So you can always see that the suddenly R1 is being respected now. See,
Yeah.
why? Because many of the banks they are taking profit at R1.
Okay. Barabar. And now from R1 back to S1, possible?
No, no, don't
There
try
is no.
don't try to short it.
No, no,
Is
I'm not doing
there
it.
any
No,
short?
I'm just.
Is there any short setup? There is no guessing, right? You should see a short setup or not.
Right. How to see that, sir, in the lower chart of your this thing? The chart below, no, in which this in,
So
in the
there is
reversal chart.
a regular divergence right now. So you can short here till this yesterday's close. Your stop should be above R2. So this move can come.
Okay,
Not
and then
to
again,
not to S1, but you can short till the gap fill. To the sorry, not gap fill to the
yesterday's close.
so don't trade this trade. This trade is for
No, no, no. I'm no. We are not trading at all, sir.
yeah, this trade is not for those who know trading. So if you guys know trading, then you should look for the buy when it comes. Not today, tomorrow. Every day you will get one trade. So
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
trade in other, but you will get many trades, but at least one trade which will go. So this is all you guys need to do. So there's
So, but
nothing.
we reached. So just one. But we reached right now 4291, right? Again on S&P, did we reach 4291?
4281.
No, did we reach 4291?
Yeah, 4291 almost. Yeah, yeah, 4291. Yeah,
We had reached, no?
yeah.
Okay.
So price went to what happened? Price went below S2, but it had a false breakdown, and then it rocketed.
Okay.
But I don't trade SPX. I trade only Nasdaq.
No. That is fine. So just I'm understanding only. And now again, we are expecting it should come down to this dotted line, which is the
Yesterday's close.
yesterday's close,
Yeah,
and then we expect it to go to R2 again, right? Possible.
yeah. If you will see the setup on the indicators, yes, why not?
Yes. Now, sir, this blue line in the below one, that blue line is the support, right?
Yeah.
The reversal chart thing, the blue line will give them support or no, will not give a support.
This thing,
Yeah,
this is just the average. So this is not support or resistance. It is useless.
okay, fine.
So ignore
Then
it.
now when you're upstairs, when this thing was in the reversal upstairs, when this upstairs can it touch the black line? No.
Which black line?
The this thing in the reversal chart below one, which the line which you just showed us, yeah.
Yeah.
How 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 high can this go?
Sanjay, you need
Yeah,
you need to spend at least 2-3 years doing trading. You cannot right now. You don't even know ABC of trading. You know. I just realized this.
right, very true.
I don't know what you are
That's
doing. So you need to invest in it. If you talk so much about trading, if you're passionate about trading, then you cannot just follow signals. You need to become master of your own thing, master of your own destiny. So you should spend some time learning about basic things. Now you don't even know the concept of this oscillator. This is an oscillator. Usually people create it with the overbought, oversold condition like RSI or stochastic. But
right now, but RSI went above 70 right now, right? So
maybe,
after it went above 70, then it has to come down.
no, who said? Who said? I can show you many examples where RSI
But
went to
at least they
70.
say they always say these charts and all that if RSI goes about 70, 80,
Uh,
there's a higher probability to come down.
yeah, and they are the same people who lose money who say this thing. Because if RSI goes to 70, it means the price is very bullish. And you will see in a trending market, RSI will remain at 70, 60, 80. So don't listen to the common wisdom, but you should know basic things like you should know this, which I'm talking about. I keep talking about hidden bearish divergences, bullish divergences, regular divergences. So you should at least know these things, what I'm talking about.
Right.
So this was a short setup. This was a hidden bearish divergence. Now you
Which
don't
one,
know
sir?
hidden bearish. So you today it should be your homework that you go and study about divergences because since we introduced this indicator, what are we doing? We are only trading divergences. Hidden bearish,
Right.
hidden
Yeah, you
bullish.
have forgotten everything. You have forgotten good news, bad news, everything you have forgotten. Now you're only focusing on this new one.
I'm not forgetting. I'm watching it. But for the turns, like you make money on the turns, right? You make money on the
Right.
turns. So this was the dark blue, and this was the bullish divergence. So I knew it would go up. So because of two indicators, this was a hidden bearish, and the price was being stopped by the green line, and there was red also coming. So there was a high probability that it would be a short. So who said I forgotten about good news, bad news? Good news, bad news is my number one indicator. But this is also very good for the intraday, for scalping.
Yeah.
And it is very good. You guys can make a lot of money on it. So,
Yeah.
Sanjay, you should go and study about these divergences at least. Because if you are going to day trade in the group, you should have the concept of divergences correct.
Perfect.
Other than that,
Yeah.
you would never see me making trend lines. You would never see me making trend lines and things like that.
Yeah. Everybody does a trend line, but I've never seen you putting any. You don't talk about trend line, nor any support, nor resistance, nothing, no points, nothing.
Yeah,
Only you see the gap. You only see the gap only, and second thing you see the divergences now. You
no,
always talk of gaps. You even don't talk of this W pattern and M patterns also.
no. What is W pattern? Double bottom.
There are so many things from so many people, and I'm gathering so many things from people. Little.
Anyway, so what I have showed to you in the last, basically this indicator is very good and it has evolved. In this indicator, there is a lot of knowledge. I spent 2 months studying GAN, and the either you can do the manual turns or you can do an automated turns. So it is doing all the calculation at the back of the it's you know behind the scene it's doing all the calculation. So you guys need to have basic understanding of the divergences at least. I'm not asking you to buy oversold or sell overbought. I'm asking you to just trade divergences with good news, bad news. And I just showed you in the last 2, 3 days since I've been trading this thing that it is very good in intraday. In 4 minutes, it is deadly. Why? Because it is designed for 4 minutes.
Okay.
But you can also trade it in 5 minutes. It's fine. Almost same. But this is, and you guys only need to trade the New York session. No need to trade whole day. No need to keep talking about market during the Asia session or London session. Because this indicator will work during high liquidity market, like when there is a lot of volume. So you need to put your chart on the regular trading hours and then use it. You can put it on extended hours also. It will work. But like it होता है ना कि there is something which is made for. So it has been made for regular trading hours. And you guys are already seeing the results. Like in 5 minutes, this was awesome.
So now, what is your you always talk about the opening price and closing price. So why are you giving so much important opening price and closing price?
I never talk about opening price, closing price.
No, sorry. Yeah, closing price you're talking right now. This blue line. Even yesterday you talked about this line. If it should come here at least. Today also you told that right now when it was the bottom at this thing 580, that time you told it will come back to the closing price of yesterday. What is the science behind that? Why this between S1
That
and
was
R?
experience. That was experience.
Okay,
Because
fine.
the price was on the dark blue and this was the bullish divergences, and I knew a big squeeze will come. So even
Okay.
the squeeze of this magnitude will come. So you will end up being at the yesterday's close. So that was just an experience. So
Acha, okay.
yeah. So it went a lot higher than that. So it's fine.
Much higher.
So it's fine. Let it go. I'm not going to chase after it. So
Yeah.
I will let it correct and then I will buy again. So don't need to chase. And already I took many trades. Like I took so many trades today. So it's fine. I'm happy. But this is an important thing. Everybody should be able and always take profit when if the move goes in your favor, then always take profit on certain. These are the levels on the good news, bad news that you can see the red, green, and the dark blue, and also put a VWAP on your chart as well. And always take profit, on VWAP also because intraday people respect VWAP a lot. The rest is up to you.
Yeah. Actually, we had Nasdaq at 14,950 just day before yesterday. And I could not take the profit there. Then all the way I went to 14,580. So my buy position is yet pending. So at least 14,850 is my average. If I get 14,850, I'll try and at least first cut my position without loss. Then again take a fresh trade, go with fresh mind.
Yeah, I remember. So, one moment. So when we were longing here, why you did not take profit here? So we took the whole thing.
So it was at least after midnight, so I cannot
But
waste so
Viraj was
much.
getting- Why you did not get out?
Yeah, 49.50 I could have easily got out, but then I was just sleeping and it went away. 2:30 in the night.
So you must be, careful about these things.
Yeah, yeah. I had a portion, then came down and look at today, so it went totally down.
But there's a good probability that this gap will be filled. 49, good probability.
49.50, 15,100.
Even 100 also.
Yeah, yeah.
I'm as today is September 27th. As
Right.
the as the October is approaching, I'm becoming bullish. So I don't. I think after October, a big move will come.
Right.
And in the bull market, trading becomes a lot easier. Right now,
Yeah.
the mess we have had. People get destroyed in this mess. Trading this thing is easy, and then trading will become easy again. So
So
you
now this wave, the wave C will mostly end at 15,100. Can we say that? Today we saw wave B ending. Now can we expect wave C to end at around 15,100 or 49.50? Today the wave which you gave today, no, it ended at 14,850. Today's wave. In the morning, just before the trading started, no, you gave some chart, which you always give. In that you showed that
this is
bit down.
this is my. So I could be wrong. Aisha will be able to tell you better. I'm not an illiterate trader, but I think this is the A,
Which one, sir? Yeah.
and this whole thing was corrective B, and now this could be a big C
Okay. See all the way till 14, till 15,
till the gap fill
till the gap.
15,000. So I could be wrong. So this is not based on my indicators. So this is based on elite wave. And if you look at the indicator at the bottom, there's a lots of bullish divergence. So it can give a big bounce to break this top, and then maybe a decline.
Yeah. And then
And
again
then
down.
ultimate bottom will be formed, and then upside.
But you're not expecting the bottom to go, you're expecting the bottom to go below today's price also.
Yeah, it can go. I'm open-minded.
Today was a surprise for everybody.
Today, I'm careful till October 4th,
Right, right, right.
and it can come because uh, it makes sense, something like that. It makes sense.
Yeah.
Inverse head and shoulder type of structure. So if you are new to trading, you can also wait it out. Wait 1 week. Just don't trade anything. Watch.
Yeah, yeah, that is more better, you know. So now everything is in a mess. All the news are coming and everything is coming and making new lows every day. Just watch. Even somebody had joined your group, no? So again, I tell them that just wait and watch. Well, 1 week, 2 weeks, just watch how Sir tells, how Sir guides, and then enter into a trade. If you are fresh and if you enter in trade, no, then you will definitely go. And then you lose, then you leave the group.
Okay. So I hope you guys had a good day. So if you don't have any questions, we can we can end the session, or it's
Yeah,
fine.
yeah. So you save energy because you speak a lot. So that day was very long for us. 4 hours you spoke,
Yeah.
and you got drained out. Half an hour is fine. But so do half an hour at least do twice a week, I would suggest. Half an hour, whatever is suggest possible to you.
Support you.
I
You
will
are,
try. But you should bring good questions. But if you'll bring questions like these,
yeah, and silly questions is no, but there is nobody speaking, sir. Nobody else is there, sir. And everybody in the group, sir, have same. Like Aisha is only one person I would say who has got some knowledge. I would say, sir. Everybody else are like me only.
no,
Feel so.
Walker is a big. He's a
Volker, see, he has been trading since years, I think. So he's there, but he's interactive is he should be interactive person. That the interactive person gives more knowledge. Huh?
yeah. So I will leave now, guys. Thank you. Okay.
Yeah, thank you, sir.